गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून एंड गुड इवनिंग प्यारे बच्चों. Moving ahead with rotational motion. In this lecture today we will be discussing about power associated with torque. Mean in case of rotation हम पावर को किस तरह से लिखते हैं. Okay, let us see. Suppose we have a body rotating in xy plane, sometime at location P, and after infinitely small time dt it reaches Q by traveling an angle d theta. Now work done in rotating the body from P to Q. Now, in this situation, if I ask you what is work done in moving the body from A to B, from P to Q? Yes, P, position vector for P is this, location P, position vector for location Q is this, है ना? Position vector rotates by an angle d theta. What is amount of work done in rotating the body from P to Q by an angle d theta? Now that work done will be work done. Okay. Now if we want to define the work done in the situation, then we need to have or need to provide information about torque also. Okay. How much torque basically is rotating how much torque basically is utilized to rotate the body. Let the torque acting in the situation is tau. A constant torque, tau is acting in the situation. Then, तो work done क्या बनेगा? Work done will be equal to torque multiplied by angle d theta. It's okay. Mean rotational enforcement multiplied by the rotational displacement. अब rotational enforcement आपका torque है and rotational displacement is the angular displacement. So that is giving us the work done in case of rotation. It's okay. Now how to find power from this particular situation? अब इसको हम क्या करते हैं? Now, as this work is done in infinitely small time dt, तो हम इसको divide कर देते हैं dt से. Dividing equation 1 by dt. So this will become dw by dt. Okay, dw by dt. This will be equal to torque is constant d theta by dt. Now dw by dt, rate of change of work with respect to time, rate of performing work with respect to time is power basically, is equal to torque d theta by dt. Angular displacement with respect to time is angular velocity, angular speed. तो ये आ गया आपका पावर इन सिचुएशन ऑफ रोटेशन. ओके, देखो एक बहुत अच्छी सिमिलैरिटी है दोनों में. लीनियर मोशन के सिचुएशन में आप लोग कैसे लिखते हो? लीनियर मोशन के सिचुएशन में यू राइट पावर इज इक्वल टू एफ इंटू वी. यही लिखा जाता है, पावर इज इक्वल टू फोर्स इंटू वेलोसिटी. यहां पे पावर इन केस ऑफ रोटेशन इज फोर्स की जगह पे आ गया रोटेशनल फोर्स, वेलोसिटी की जगह पे आ गया एंगुलर वेलोसिटी, दैट इज रोटेशनल वेलोसिटी. तो है कि नहीं दोनों में एनालॉजी? There is a perfect similarity, okay, for rotation in the situation of linear motion and rotational motion. So in case of rotational motion, we write power as product of torque and angular velocity. It's okay. आराम से इसको सिचुएशन को एनालाइज करो, ओके, और दोनों का कंपैरिजन यू शुड बी नोइंग. ठीक है ना, कि लीनियर मोशन में हम पावर किस तरह से लिख रहे हैं और रोटेशनल मोशन में हाउ वी आर राइटिंग द पावर. Go through this And if you find any kind of confusion, let me know about it. Thank you. Have a nice day. In our next lecture, we will be taking angular momentum. जैसे हमने लीनियर मोमेंटम की बात की थी ना, in case of linear motion, we will be talking of angular momentum in case of rotational motion.